Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Do you have someone in your life that you want to buy a really unique gift for? If you do, then you need to check out this beautiful, gorgeous wooden watch from EUTOUR. This watch is not only super pretty in appearance, but it is so unique. You can see on the watch it has those two unique magnetic balls. Each of them keeps track of the hour as well as the minutes. Even if you put this watch down for a time, when you pick it up, it will automatically find the time. It's really interesting and amazing. The band as well as the face are made with cedar wood, which is really unique and beautiful. The wood is coated to avoid scratching the watch or the band. The band is completely adjustable as well. I think that this watch is definitely something that if you're looking for a really unique gift, this is going to fit the bill absolutely. It keeps time very well and it's really quite the statement piece. This watch will definitely fit the bill for a unique, really cool looking watch that you will make the perfect gift. But that's just my point of view.